Hey y'all, this is CGBeck Designs, creating outside the box. I'm back with you today. I'm making corn fritters. Okay, as you can see, I've got all my ingredients out. I will be putting them together and showing you what is going on as it is going on. All right, stay with me now. Okay, I've got the contents mixed up. I've just blended the corn with the flour, sugar, salt, shortening, milk, and soda, and of course the eggs. So now we'll be putting them into the frying pan here as soon as this gets hot enough. Okay, I think the grease is hot enough. So I'm going to just dip one of these out of here and a measured scoop and drop it in. Yeah. Dip another and drop it in. All right, so you see how that goes. Okay, so this was their flip, and this is how they're looking, kind of golden brown. Really not staying together as tight as I would like them to, but they're still going to be good, and they still look good. The first batch of corn fritters are out, and I'm working on the second batch now. Didn't put quite as many in there, and boy, are they looking good or what? They really are. Oh, I want to break a piece off. Look at that. Uh-oh. I just want you to see. They kind of look like a salmon croquette, only they're corn. Oh my God, and they're good. The corn is actually very light. And to go with it, I'm doing turkey sausage and onions. And see how they fry nicely. Okay, so the sausage, I think, is ready. It's good enough and ready to come out. Yeah, that's good. I've offered a couple of ways these could be served. They could be served, the fritters, the corn fritters, could be served with sour cream and chives, or they can be served with a ranch dressing. Either way, they're absolutely superb. And it doesn't take any longer than about 45 minutes to cook these. And that's from scratch, mixing them, preparing them to go into the frying pan and for them to come to fruition. Thank you for joining CGBeck Creating Outside the Box. I always appreciate when you watch my videos. Be sure to like them. And so we'll see you the next time. Bye.